Are you passionate about helping others and ready to start a rewarding career in healthcare? Welcome to the Certified Nursing Assistant (CNA) training course in Dubai, offered by NLP Tech Training Center. Our Certified Nursing Assistant program is designed to give you the knowledge, skills, and confidence to provide essential patient care in hospitals, nursing homes, and healthcare facilities. You'll learn everything from basic anatomy and physiology, infection control, patient safety, and communication skills, to practical training like taking vital signs, assisting with daily living activities, and caring for bedridden patients. With expert instructors, personalized learning plans, and hands-on clinical practice, you'll be fully prepared for the CNA certification exam, recognized internationally by the American Medical Certification Association, AMCA. Upon completion, you'll receive dual certification, opening doors to global opportunities. For registration or more information, please visit www.nlptechforma.com. Call us on 971-56-430-8089. WhatsApp us on 971-56-430-8089. Email us on admin@nlptechforma.com.